Welcome to yet another natural versus unnatural challenge. Same composer, same notes, but radically different playing styles in 3 versions. No names, no visuals, no clues. Just sound and your own ears. Alright, let's go. Here is a natural version of the beginning of Chopin's first Mazurka from Opus 24. A nice, noble rubato, woven into phrases that maintain a natural, balanced flow and rhythm. Beautiful, intriguing, expressively speaking. Here is another version. This version feels artificial. One phrase doesn't naturally lead to the next, and there is no natural flow. The rhythm is not kept, and the mazurka is therefore not dancing. Here is the third version. Alright, feel free to message me privately to discover the answer, or leave a comment below and share your thoughts on the final version. See you at the next challenge. Thank you and have an amazing day.